Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we are, folks, with Conrad's Volvoville. White 850 wagon. Is that a 95 or 94?
That is,
this one.
It's a 95 with a 94 engine.
Okay. Then we got this Platinum. One of the cleanest ones left on the road. Platinum sedan. And then he's got his blue wagon out there, 2000. And of course there's Panther, but we're going to start off here. Do a power steering pump. Probably a alternator pulley reset and see what else we could get in from there. So we're going to drop the coolant, get the power steering fluid out of here, and get this power steering pump out of the way. Getting that fluid out of that power steering. Anymore, I just take the computer boxes out. Gives me more room to work around and get stuff out of the way. This alternator, the pulley's not all the way on. It's got a gap. Here we are, folks. LKQ. Looks like a nice little GLT here. Man, look at them tinted windows. Them windows are dark. Whoo-wee! Man, this looks like a fire. Oh my gosh, what the heck happened in here? Whew. It don't look like it started up here though. Look like it started in the back. Man, I ain't never. This is crazy. Whew. I thought the windows were tinted. God dang. Somebody must have been smoking crack back here. It looked like this passenger seat back here. Oh my. Whew. Door handles still work. Nothing under here looks burnt. So we're going to take this alternator. Hopefully it works. Looks good. And we'll get it tested and see if it works. It looks like even this coolant reservoir is in good shape. Let's see if I can see the date on that. That looks like a keeper compared to some of the ones I've seen. Okay, we got the alternator out. And there's some micro cracks in the bottom of this, so we're going to leave this. But we are taking the serpentine belt. And that's it. Let's get out of here and get back to the car. Get this tested and installed. Got the alternator test done at O'Reilly's. And it says there, pass, pass, pass. It shows the different voltage information there. So when you get your alternator tested, they're not testing them in front of you anymore. Most of them are in the back somewhere, but they do give you the results, so that's good. Next, we're going to put this new power steering pump on this bracket over here and then get all this stuff put back together. Got the coolant topped off, got the lower radiator drain closed, got the upper radiator hose on. Got the power steering pump installed, fluid in it, got the serpentine belt on, got the computers back in, got the OTE pipe on, pulled the battery tray wasn't quite in right because the ground was coming on the front side of the battery instead of the back side. So we repositioned that. That way he could easily secure the battery with the battery clip. So we should be good to go. We can start this thing. Leak check it and call it a day for this car. Power steering pump sounds like crap. Hopefully that'll go away soon. There it goes, it's quieting down. Went to get an alternator from the salvage yard. As you can see the orange mark on it, and we got it tested. So it's good to go. And we got a tap in the engine. Hopefully it's just a lifter tick. Don't see any leak there. Don't see any leak there. The lifter tick is going away. I broke the dipstick, so that kind of sucks. Alright, looks good. We are looking in here. Timing belt job. Remember this idler was walking out on this one? But for some reason, this tensioner looks like it's been replaced. And this water pump definitely been replaced. Looks like 2014. So that water pump is likely good. So we're going to do the belt and the rollers on this thing. So let me get the timing aligned. Got a little bit of oil coming out of the timing belt cover. And it looks like this front exhaust cam seal's leaking. So we're going to replace that. And we're running. Checking for oil leak because we put that seal in without a seal installer. And hopefully we don't have any oil leak. Coolant level's going down. Got to top that off. I need to put the cover back on. So I'm going to do that. Yeah, just let it idle for a few minutes. Well, folks, we're done with this platinum. We did the front cam seal on the exhaust cam. We did the timing belt. We did the idler. We did the front lower engine mount on this side. And on this car, we did an alternator and a power steering pump and repositioned the battery cable. And we repositioned the battery on that one so that it could be clipped in properly. So, had a full day. About to call it a night. Thanks for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.